Hello! In front of me I have Skagen Hybrid HR, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Skagen smartwatches application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the watch icon in the top right corner to open the device page for your watch, and then scroll through this page, scroll down, find the option or rather button called remove watch, tap on it and then tap on remove to confirm. The watch will disappear from the application, as you can see. You can also open the Bluetooth settings on your phone and check if you have the Skagen device right here on the list of paired devices. If you do, tap on the settings or info icon next to it and then tap on forget device or unpair button to remove it, like this. And at this point the watch is completely unpaired from our Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.